Hello everyone, welcome to a new series. This series is regarding Facebook or Meta ads. In this series, we'll try to cover each and every topics of Meta ads. So we'll be starting with the creation of Facebook business page, and we'll try to cover how to set up Facebook Business Manager, what are the options we have in Facebook Business Manager, how to set up Facebook Pixel and different types of events, how to create remarketing audiences, and in the later part of the series we'll show you how to create live project in Facebook ads. Okay, so will be a great journey together. So this is the first video of the series, and the video is about Facebook or Meta ads introduction. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is Meta ads. So for learning more about Meta ads, we'll go to the official documentation of Meta. You can see over here what are Meta ads. So previously it was known as Facebook ads. So currently it is known as Meta ads. Building lasting connections with customers with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and ads clicking to WhatsApp and Messenger. Billions of people use Meta apps to continue with people and explore topics they care about. Your Meta ads can show up as your customers explore their Facebook feed or watch Instagram reels or check their Messenger inbox. Businesses like yours use Meta ads to increase online sales, drive in-store traffic, and find new customers. Whether you are new to online advertising or are an experienced marketer, Meta is here to give you the resources and support you need to succeed. Okay, so you can click on this button called Learn How Ads Work. You know, then you can see what is the Meta ads used for. So you can see over here, you can use Meta or Facebook ads for increasing your online sales, for generating qualified leads, driving engagement, send more traffic, building awareness, increasing app install. So those are the different objectives we'll be talking in the later part of the series. Okay, then you can see over here, find a budget that works for your business. So you can click on this link for getting the recommendation, reach the people who want to hear from you. Okay, then create ads that shine on every Meta app, track your ads performance in real time. So for tracking performance, we'll be using Facebook Pixel, so we'll be tracking all the necessary events. Okay, then simplify ad creation with automated tools. So how Meta decides who see your ads? When you publish your ads, they will compete against other ads targeted towards the same audience in a process called the ad auction. You can help your ads compete by implementing Meta ads auction best practices. Okay, so you can click on this link for seeing the auction tips. So if you are ready to advertise, then you can create the ads. So this is the basic introduction video about Meta or Facebook ads. And in the later part of the video, we'll show you all the necessary topics for covering Meta or Facebook ads. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.